Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Attorney Dan, and today I want to talk about trademarks and domain names. So the question is, can a domain name serve as a trademark? And the answer is yes. And now, of course, there's a depends and how you use it, but essentially, you can use a domain name as a trademark, but it can't merely just serve as your particular address. You have to use the technical term is the name as a source identifier. So I would akin early on in Amazon's business, they would do Amazon.com, 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 or even pets.com, pets.com, pets.com. They would never just use pets or just Amazon alone. Okay, so it's really important that it's used as a what's called a source identifier. How can will the public know that the service or goods provided is from the .com? Okay, so if you're going to use a .com as a trademark, and you can search the trademark office website to see how other businesses have prepared their applications and how they and look at their specimens and see what they're using. Okay, but if you make sure, like on all your marketing materials, it says whatever your name.com on your website, obviously the address, but even have your business name, it says something something.com, right? That is how you use a domain name as a trademark. So it's very important you use that way. Otherwise it will get rejected as a trademark, just not functioning as a trademark. So again, this is Dan talking about trademarks and domain names, how to use a domain name as a trademark, and if you can trademark a domain name. All right. If you need help with your application, feel free to reach out to us, and we'll see. We'll set up a time to see if we can help you. Otherwise, we'll talk soon. Bye.